Today we're checking out Postbeam.ai, a LinkedIn content and lead gen platform that lets you create content, coordinate publishing, and turn engagement into pipeline. Most LinkedIn tools help you get impressions. Great, but impressions don't pay invoices. The real challenge is figuring out who's actually paying attention and then doing something about it. If you're creating content without a clear line to conversations and revenue, you're basically doing a lot of work to just feel productive. Postbeam.ai is built differently. It connects content creation, team publishing, analytics, and lead identification into one workflow, from post to pipeline. It starts with content. Postbeam.ai generates posts that actually sound like you, pulling from sources you already use. Claude MCP, sales calls, Slack messages, podcasts, YouTube videos, Twitter accounts relevant to your audience, and more. Once connected, it auto-generates content across all your team's LinkedIn profiles so everyone stays active even if they go on vacation. From there, you've got a full content calendar to manage it all. You can schedule posts across multiple profiles, set up approval workflows, and send drafts to teammates for review. They can approve, reject, or edit before anything goes live. For agencies or larger teams managing multiple accounts, this is the kind of coordination that usually requires 3 different tools and a group chat nobody checks. Next is analytics. Postbeam AI pulls performance data across all connected accounts for up to 365 days. Impressions, reactions, member reach, followers gained, and post-level breakdowns by team member. And here's where it gets genuinely useful. You can export all of that data into Claude or ChatGPT, including the actual post text, and let AI surface what formats are working, what's falling flat, and what to do next. And then there are leads, which is really the whole point. Inside the Leads tab, you can see every person who's liked or commented on your team's posts. Filter by job title, location, connection degree, or company size to zero in on your ICP. Once you've got your list, you can send a personalized connection request or message directly from Postbeam.ai, opening the conversation while the engagement is still warm. If LinkedIn is already part of your growth strategy, but you're not sure what's actually working or who's actually watching, Postbeam.ai gives you the full picture, from content creation to closed conversations. Click buy now to turn your LinkedIn into a lead generation machine with Postbeam.ai today.